In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom corporate branding logo in the Google Admin Console. We'll be working directly from the Google Admin Console dashboard landing page, and the process is very straightforward once you know where to look. If you're updating your organization's branding, this is a simple way to make the admin experience feel more customized and aligned with your company identity. To begin, log into your Google Admin Console and make sure you're on the main dashboard landing page. This is the starting point for all of the settings we'll be using. Once you're there, open the main navigation menu and go to Account, then Account Settings, and then Personalization. Take your time as you move through these options, since the setting is nested a little deeper than many people expect. When you arrive in the personalization area, look for the section labeled Logo. This is the panel that controls the branding image shown in your admin console. Click on that logo section to open the customization options. If you don't immediately see all the settings, give the page a moment to fully load before continuing. Next, upload your custom image file from your computer. The supported file types here are PNG or GIF, so make sure your logo is already prepared in one of those formats before you start. It's a good idea to use a clean, high-quality version of your logo so it displays clearly. If the file is too small, too large, or not properly formatted, the final result may not look as polished as you want. Choosing the correct version of your brand asset ahead of time can help avoid having to repeat the process. After selecting the file, review the preview or the visible upload state if one appears, just to confirm you chose the correct image. This is especially helpful if you keep multiple versions of your company logo on your computer, such as light and dark variations or different dimensions. Once everything looks right, click Save. After saving, your custom corporate branding logo will be applied and displayed in the Google Admin Console. If you don't see the update